Okay, so this is my first vlog ever. I hope that it will be good. Leave me a comment down below if you want more vlogs or if you could do without them. I was thinking maybe one vlog a week, maybe like on Sunday or Friday or something. Leave me your comments down below to let me know. But I am heading out to run some errands. Today is voting day, so I need to go vote. And then I want to run some errands because I'm just in the Christmas spirit. I think I'm gonna decorate next week, which is like the week before Thanksgiving, because I really want to decorate, but I also want to start buying gifts. And I'm not gonna be buying too much. We are doing a very laid back Christmas this year because of inflation, and everyone's trying to save money. So what I decided to do is we went to Ireland earlier this year, and we got some cute photos. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to print out like some photos of my brother and his wife and my sister and my mom and dad, you know, on that trip, and then print them out, put them in a frame, and then wrap them so that they can have them, because I don't think anyone has printed any photos yet. So I thought that would be a good considerate gift that would be low cost. But let's go run these errands, and my battery's almost dead. Typical. Okay, so I am back home after voting, and I also went to Target, and I did not get anything because there were no sales. At the time that I went, I thought there were, but there's not. And then I was gonna go to GameStop, but I don't have the money for the game that I want, and it's only $10 off right now, and I'm hoping it drops further once it gets closer to Black Friday. So that's what I did. I need to get ready for this meeting that I have with one of my managers, and I need to prep for that. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now. Okay, hello from a new house. I am visiting my sister's house to dog sit, essentially. Alice is back there someplace. But I thought I'd give you guys an update on the vlog. And yeah, so one of the dogs is in the emergency vet, and it's a long story, so they just wanted to make sure he's okay. So I came over to keep the other dog company. So I'm gonna do some work on marketing. My meeting went really well. He gave me some really insightful tips. Just really good, but it makes me super tired because a lot of creativity has to go into marketing and advertisement for it to be successful, and I don't have an act for it. And that's why I have a manager. So he can tell me what I'm doing wrong and what I need to change. So I'm gonna work on that, and then I'll check in with you guys later. Hi, editing Bridget here. I forgot to close out the vlog, and I'm trying to put text into the video, and I have no idea how to do that. So I thought that I would just get in here and say a goodbye. Thank you guys for watching, and if you liked it, please hit that thumbs up button.